Hi, my name is Head Band and Sai. I'm unboxing the 1990 Ninja Turtle Raphael from the 1990 movie. I love the Turtles. They were my favorite cartoon, and they were my favorite them all. My friend saying in the skies, he likes the Super Shredder from the movie. So I can now let's unbox this. I was waiting for this long time to get one. I want to try to collect all the brothers. I'll probably put it on my page too. And I get all to get the brothers. Now let's open it up in this TNT. And it comes with a backdrop too. I think it's from the sewer. I don't know. See here. I don't know if it's tight or not. Let's get this out. There's his extra piece of bandana. You can switch side to side. It comes with 2 pair of hands, pizza, slice of pizza. And here's the close. I don't know if you can see it. The detail on the pizza, and his side from the. He loses one from the movie. April O'Neil steals it. I call stealing. And here's this extra piece, another hand. There's another one. I want that one hand that he puts his size in between his middle of his finger. Now let's get the turtle out of here. You can actually see the detail on him. If I can get his foot out. I don't need this no more. Put on down on the side. Alright, let's see the detail on this. He has, I don't know if he can zoom in, but he has spot scars when he gets mad at Leo. He goes out to the blow out steam, and he starts fights. The head can go up and down, side to side. It goes all the way around. That's good coordination. The arm can go up that far, down, all the way around. The arm can bend, probably not too far, but the wrist can go or turn around. It can bend up and down. The same way on this side. He doesn't have an ab. I don't think he has the ab crunch. I don't know. It looks like he does. But his foot can go that far. I don't want to go too far up because I don't want to ruin it. It can bend. It can bend that far. The ankle can go up and down, side to side, but the expression I love. But his bandana can go on either side. I'm gonna get the accessory kit later on, and you can take the head off, and it has a bandana for both sides, and they have another kit coming out from the 1990 Ninja Turtles Secret of the Ooze #2 that he gets tied up. He has the tape on his mouth. I'm gonna try to get that accessory kit. Anyways, who's there? My camera is saying disguise. Like his page and subscribe to my channel, Kent Valentine, and his channel. Hit the like, comment. This is Kent Valentine signing off.